Big red days don't end the world, but they do test your edge. At ESDaily, we don't panic when shelves break. We realign with structure. We respect the impulse, and we wait for the reclaim. Most traders chase revenge entries when trends break, but we do the opposite. We map the shelves in advance and let the market show its hand. On November 14th, that mindset paid again. Runners die when structure breaks, but the trend doesn't end until the deeper shelves fail. That was the framework I laid out that morning. The short-term tone had shifted, but the higher time frame trend still intact if 66.86 held. I wrote it in the game plan 6 hours before the trade triggered. If opportunity number 1 fails, the deeper flush into 66.86 to 66.71 becomes the first real long I'm interested in. That wasn't hope. It was structure. From the open, it was straight liquidation. 68.92 rejection. Failed bounce at 68.20. Final collapse to 67.45. Overnight fade to 67.30. Every shelf failed. 68.18, 67.80, 67.59. A perfect sequence of broken support until price finally hit 66.86. That's where I stepped in. It wasn't early. It wasn't emotional. It was the structure triggering exactly as outlined. Entry at 66.87.75 after the flush, after acceptance, after reclaim. T1 at 67.08, T2 at 67.28, T3 at 67.74.25. Runner live. The reclaim was clean. The rotation followed perfectly. That's the edge. Discipline and patience at real shelves, not guesses at highs or lows. I called it when price approached. I called it when it triggered. I shared the entry, the fills, the targets, and the ESDaily room saw it all in real time. This isn't luck. This is process. Map shelves in advance. Wait for flush, then acceptance, then reclaim. Enter only with structure. Scale at targets. Let the runner work. This is how we trade at ESDaily. Big red days don't scare us. They give us the edge if we wait for it. If you want this level of clarity and structure, subscribe to ESDaily.com. Every morning, I walk members through the zones, the behavior, and the plan. No guesses, no noise, just level, structure, execution. This is how real traders win.